Hello children, welcome back. Let's continue exercise 11b, questions 7 to 15. This is on page number 130. Question 7. A tin contains 20 liters of petrol. Due to leakage, 3 liters of petrol is lost. What is the percentage of petrol left in the tin? So first, let's see how many liters of petrol the tin contains. So quantity of petrol in a tin, it's given to us. It's 20 liters. So let's write that down. 20 liters. Now due to leakage, 3 liters of petrol is lost. So quantity of petrol lost due to leakage will be 3 liters. Now we are asked to find the percentage of petrol left in the tin. So first we need to find how much of petrol is left in the tin, and then we need to find the percentage of that. So quantity of petrol left in the tin is, how much was there in the beginning? 20 liters. How much was lost because of leakage? 3 liters. If you subtract both, you will find the petrol left in the tin. 20 minus 3 is 17. So 17 liters. So now we know how much of petrol is left in the tin. Now we need to find the percentage of that. Percentage of petrol left in the tin is, we have to take 17 liters divided by the quantity of petrol in the tin, which is 20 liters, and multiply this by 100 because we are going to find the percentage. Now let's cancel 1 0 here and 1 0 on top. So now I have 2 and 10, which I can cancel again. 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. Let's multiply 17 into 5. 5 sevens are 35, carry 3. 5 ones are 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have got 85 by 1, which is 85 percentage. So the percentage of petrol left in the tin is 85. So the answer is 85% of petrol is left in the tin. Question 8. An alloy of copper and zinc contains 45% of copper and the rest is zinc. Okay, so it's a mixture. This alloy is a mixture of copper and zinc, and we know how much of copper is there. Now the rest of it is zinc. Now we are asked to find the weight of zinc in 20 kg of the alloy. Okay, so the alloy is 20 kg. In that 45% is copper and the rest is zinc. But here we need to find the weight, not the percent. Weight of zinc in 20 kg of the alloy. So first we start by saying total weight of the alloy. Weight, we are talking about the weight, which is 20 kg given in the question. Percentage of copper in this is 45%. So we know this 45%, but now we can easily find out the percentage of zinc. How do we find the percentage of zinc? Remember, total quantity is always 100%. In that, if 45% is copper, the remaining is zinc, isn't it? The question itself says that rest is zinc. So let's minus 45 from 100. 45 is the percentage of copper. Now we're going to minus from 100. Now we'll get, now this is 0, 10, 9 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. So the percentage of zinc is 55%. Okay, totally they add up to 100%, copper and zinc. So now we know the percentage of zinc. Can we find the weight of zinc? Yes. 55% means 55 by 100. Whenever percent is given, you divide by 100 of 20 kgs. 20 kg is the total weight of the alloy. Okay, the total weight of the alloy is 20 kgs. When we multiply by 20, then we will know the weight of zinc. So let's cancel. So I have cancelled this. Now I can cancel 2 and 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. I can still cancel. I can cancel 55 and 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 11s are 55. Now let's multiply the numerators. 11 ones are 11 and in the denominator we have 1. So the weight of zinc is 11 kg. The weight of zinc is 11 kg. Question 9. A boy got 60 out of 80 in Hindi. So let's make a note of that. 60 out of 80 in Hindi, 75 out of 100 in English, and 65 out of 70 in arithmetic. In which subject is his percentage of marks the best? Also, find his overall percentage. So, two parts to this question. So, what we are given here are just marks, but we are asked to find the percentage of marks. So, let's start. Marks obtained in Hindi. Now he got 60 out of 80 in Hindi. So to find the percentage in Hindi, we have to do 60 out of 80 and multiply this by 100. Why by 100? Because we are finding the percentage. So let's multiply. We'll start by cancelling. So I'll cancel one 0 there and a 0 here. Now I can cancel 6 and 8 both by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. I can cancel 4 and 100 both by 4 itself. 4 1s are 4 and 4 into 25 will give us 100. Okay, so now we have to just multiply the numerators and write the denominator. So 25 into 3. Let's multiply 25 into 3. 3 5s are 15, carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So we've got 75 by 1, which is 75%. So his percentage in Hindi is 75. Then what are his marks in English? He's got 75 out of 100 in English. So to find his percentage in English, we say 75 out of 100. This is what he got. And to convert to percent, we multiply by 100. Let's cancel. I can cancel the 2 zeros there and the 2 zeros here. So now I just have 75 into 1, which is 75 by 1. So this is again 75%. So in English also he got 75%. Now let's see his marks in arithmetic. Arithmetic he got 65 out of 70. So to find his percentage we say 65 by 70 into 100. So let's do the cancelling here. I can cancel 1 0 there and 1 0 here. Now that's all I can do. I can't cancel any more. Let me multiply the numerators. 65 into 10 is 650. And in the denominator we have 7. So let's multiply 650 by 7. So let's take 65. 7 9s are 63 minus 2 and I bring down 0. Now 7 2s are 14. So I can write that and then I minus 1. 10 minus 4 is 6, 0. So I have got this. Now I can continue to get my percentage in the decimal form. So let me continue in the decimal form and see. Okay, so let me put a point here. I carry the point on top, I add a 0, I bring the 0 down. So 60. So what are the tables of 7? That will get us close to 60. 7 8s are 56 minus, I can write 4 and another 0. So 40, 7 5s are 35. Okay, I will stop with 2 decimal places. 92.85 is the percent I got. So let me write that down. 92.85%. Okay, so now we have the percentages in all the subjects. In Hindi, it's 75. So let's see that in Hindi, 75. In English, 75. Now in maths, 92.85. So the first question we can answer, the first question is, in which subject is his percentage of marks the best? His marks are the best in arithmetic. So the boy got the highest percentage in arithmetic. Okay, now we have to find the other part of the question, his overall percentage. So I have the question again here. Let's find his overall percentage. Total marks of the 3 subjects he's got. That is how we need to find out total marks of the 3 subjects. That is, he's got. So the first subject is Hindi, which is 80. So total marks, okay. Then English is 100. That means we need to add 100. And arithmetic is 70. So this is the total marks. Let's add this up. 80 plus 100 plus 70. Add it up. 0. 8 plus 7 is 15. I carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So total marks of the 3 subjects is 250. Now, what are the total marks obtained by the boy in all 3 subjects? So he's got 60. Okay, let's add it up. 60 plus 75 plus 65. Let's add all that up. 60 plus 75 plus 65. 5 plus 5 is 10, carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. So here we have 200. So the marks the boy got is 200. So now we have to find the percentage that he attained, his overall percentage. So how did he get? How much did he score? He scored 200. What is the total marks? 250. Now to find the percentage, we multiply by 100. So let's cancel 1 0. Okay. Now we can cancel 10 and 25. Okay, both by 5. 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25. Now I can cancel 200 also by 5. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. And then I add a 0. 5 into 40 is 200. Now I can multiply the numerators. 40 into 2 is 80 by 1. So his overall percentage is 80%. So the overall percentage he got is 80%. Okay, now question 10. 60 more soldiers joined a camp of 500 soldiers. What percentage of the earlier soldiers do they make? Okay, so total number of soldiers in a camp, 500. Then number of soldiers that joined the camp, 60 more soldiers joined the camp. To find what percentage of the earlier soldiers they make. They means the number of soldiers that joined the camp. We have to find the percentage now. So to find the percentage, we have to take 60 and original strength was how much? 500 soldiers. It's given. Total number is given. 60 by 500. To find the percent, multiply by 100. So let's multiply. Cancel the zeros. 2 zeros there, 2 zeros here. Now 60 and 5, I can cancel both by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 12s are 60. Now let's multiply the numerators. 12 ones are 12 and denominator is 1. So the percentage of soldiers that joined the camp when compared to the earlier ones is 12%. 12% of soldiers that joined the camp as per the original strength. Okay, so that is the answer, 12%. In a plot of ground of area 6,000 square meters, only 4,500 square meters is allowed for construction. Okay, so the total area is so much. Only this much is allowed for construction. What is the question? What percentage of area is to be left without construction? Okay, so let's start the statements. Total area of a plot of ground, it's 6,000 square meters. Okay, then in that, what is the area allowed for construction? 4,500 square meters. Now we are asked to find the percentage of area to be left without construction. So percentage. So before we find the percentage, we need to find how much of area is to be left without construction. So area to be left without construction, if we minus these two, the 6,000 and 4,500, we will know how much of area is to be left without construction. So let's do that. 6,000 minus 4,500. So let's do the subtraction here. 6,000 minus 4,500. Okay. 0, 0. Here we borrow. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have found the area to be left without construction is 1,500 square meters. Now we can find the percentage of this area. Percentage of this area we find by writing this area by the total area, which is 6,000. And to find the percentage, multiply by 100. Let's cancel. 2 zeros here, 2 zeros here. I can cancel one more 0 here and 1 0 there. Now I can cancel 6 and 10 both by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10. I can still cancel 3 and 15. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So in my numerators, I have 5 into 5, which is 25. And in the denominator, I have 1. So percentage of area to be left without construction is 25%. So 25% of area is to be left without construction. Question 12. Mr. Sharma has a monthly salary of 8,000 rupees. If he spends 6,400 rupees every month, we need to find first his monthly expenditure as percent. Okay, so salary is 8,000 and he's spending 6,400 rupees. So that is his expenditure. Now we need to find that as a percent. So let's start. Mr. Sharma's monthly salary. So that is 8,000 rupees. So let's write that down, 8,000 rupees. Then his monthly expenditure is 6,400 rupees. Now we need to find this same expenditure in the form of a percent, his expenditure as percent. So we take this 6,400 divided by his monthly salary, which is 8,000 rupees, and then multiply by 100 because we are finding the percent. Now we cancel. So cancel 2 zeros there. We can cancel 2 zeros here. We can cancel one more 0 here and from 100. Okay, now let's see what else we can cancel. I can cancel 8 and 64. 8 8s are 64, isn't it? So 8 1s are 8. 8 8s are 64. Now let's multiply the numerators. 8 into 10 is 80 by 1, which is 80%. So we have found out his monthly expenditure as percent. So Mr. Sharma's monthly expenditure is 80%. Then the second part, we have to find his monthly savings also as percent. Now we know his monthly salary, which is 8,000 rupees. We also know his monthly expenditure, which is 6,400 rupees. Now we don't know his savings. So now 8,000 rupees is what he's getting and 6,000 rupees is what 6,400 rupees is what he's spending. Now if we subtract the two, what is left is his savings. So first we need to find his monthly savings by subtracting these two numbers. 8,000 rupees minus 6,400 rupees. So first we need to subtract these two. Let's do that. 8,000 minus 6,400. 0, 0. Now we borrow here. 10 minus 4 is 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So his monthly savings is rupees 1,600. Now what are we asked to find? His monthly savings as percent. Now we've got it as rupees. We have to make it a percent. So his monthly savings as percent will be 1,600 is his savings. We are taking this divided by his monthly salary, which is 8,000 rupees. And this we multiply by 100 because we are finding the percent. Now cancel. Cancel 2 zeros and 2 zeros. I can cancel 1 0 from 80 and 1 0 from 100. I can still cancel 8 and 16. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Now I have finished cancelling. I can do the multiplication. Multiply the numerators. 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. Denominators 1. So I have 20%. So I have found his monthly savings as percent. So Mr. Sharma's monthly savings is 20%. 13. The monthly salary of Rohit is 24,000 rupees. If his salary increases by 12%, find the new monthly salary. Okay. The monthly salary of Rohit is 24,000 rupees. Now the question says if his salary increases by 12%, so we know the percent of his salary increase. So that is percentage of his salary increase is given in the question. It is 12%, but we don't know the amount. We know the percent. Okay. So what is that amount that has increased? So we're going to use this 12%. So we're going to say 12 by 100. Whenever percent is given to us, we divide by 100 multiplied by his monthly salary, which is 24,000 rupees. Now it's multiplication of fractions. We will cancel the 2 zeros here and the 2 zeros there. Now we have 240 into 12. So let's multiply that. 240 into 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. Then here we start the second step with this. 1 zeros are 0, 1 fours are 4, 1 twos are 2. Now let's add this up. 0, 8, 8, 2. 2,880. So this is the amount that has increased. Now we need to find his new monthly salary. The new monthly salary will be the original monthly salary, which is 24,000. So that's 24,000 rupees plus this amount that has increased, which is 2,880. So this will be his new salary. So let's add up these two amounts, 24,000 and 2,880. So 0, 8, 8, 4 plus 2 is 6 and then 2. 26,880 is his new monthly salary. So we found the amount increased and we added that amount to the original salary. And this is the new monthly salary of Rohit. So the new monthly salary is 26,880 rupees. Question 14. In a sale, the price of an article reduced by 30%. If the original price of the article is 1,800, we need to find two things. One, the reduction in the price of the article. Okay, so here we know that in a sale, the price of one article has reduced. Now we know the percentage, but we don't know the amount and we need to find that amount. So let's start finding that. The original price of an article is rupees 1,800. This is the original price of the article. The percentage reduction of the article is 30%. Okay, the price that has reduced is 30% of 1,800. So let's find the actual price, the reduction in the price of the article, which will be 30 by 100 because percentage is already given to us into 1800. Cancel two zeros there and two zeros here. Now I have 30 into 18. Let's multiply that. 30 into 18. 8 zeros are 0, 8 threes are 24. Then 1 zeros are 0, 1 threes are 3. 0, 4 and 5. So the reduction in the price of the article is rupees 540. So 540 has reduced from the original price of the article. So we have found the answer to the first part, that is the price of the article reduced by 540 rupees. Now the second part is the reduced price of the article is what we need to find, and that is the original price minus the reduction in price. So the original price is 1800 rupees and the reduction in price is, we just found out, 540 rupees. So let's subtract these two, 1800 minus 540. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 minus 4 we can't do, so we're going to borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2 and 1. So now the reduced price of the article is rupees 1260. So when the price was the article was bought, it was 1800 rupees. Then the price reduced by 30%. And now the reduced price of the article is 1260. Reduced price of the article is rupees 1260. Question 15 is a different kind of sum where we have Bodmans. We have to evaluate percentage here along with our regular numbers. Okay. Now let me read the question. 30% of 200 plus 20% of 450 minus 25% of 600. So we need to find all these separately. Okay. So let's work out 30% of 200. That will be 30 by 100 into 200. Of is into plus. Next one is 20 by 100 into 450 minus 25 by 100 into 600. We can do each one separately. So the first one, 30 by 100 into 200, let's cancel. We have cancelled and now my numerators are 30 into 2, which is 60. And the denominator is 1. Plus, let's go to the second one. Cancel whatever you can. So 1 0 I've cancelled, 1 0 here, 1 0 from 20 and 1 0 below. So now what do I have? 45 into 2. 45 2s are 90 by 1 minus, let's go to the last one. 600 has 2 zeros, 100 has 2 zeros. So we have cancelled. Now we have to multiply 25 into 6. 6 5s are 30, carry 3, 6 2s are 12, 13, 14, 15. So that is 150 by 1. Okay, now 60 by 1 is 60, 90 by 1 is 90, and 150 by 1 is 150. So now let's work out, let's add up these two numbers, 60 plus 90. Okay, let's do that. 60 plus 90, let's add it up, 0, 6 plus 9 is 15. So I've got 150. So this will be 150. Let's write the remaining minus 150. So 150 minus 150 is 0. So our final answer here is 0. Question 2. 10% of 450 rupees minus 12% of 500 rupees plus 8% of 500 rupees. So here also, let's put them within brackets and start working out the sums. Okay, so the first one is 10% of 450. So 10 by 100 into 450 minus 12 by 100 into 500 plus 8 by 100 into 500 again. Okay, so now let's work out each bracket. Now the first one, 10 by 100 into 450. I'll cancel 1 0 on top, 1 0 down. I have one more 0 that I can cancel. So here I now have 1 into 45 is 45. Denominator is 1. Minus, let's go to the second one. 2 zeros in 500, 2 zeros in 100. So we can just cancel that and now multiply. 12 fives are 60. 60 by 1 plus, let's go to the last one. 500 has 2 zeros, 100 has 2 zeros. We can cancel. Now 8 fives are 40. So that will be 40 by 1. Now 45 by 1 is 45 minus 60 plus 40. Okay, now when we have plus and minus signs, let's add up the numbers that have the plus signs. Plus 45 and plus 40 we are going to add. So 45 plus 40 is 85. So this will be 85 plus 85 minus 60. So 85 minus 60, we'll subtract it here. 85 minus 60, 5, 8 minus 6 is 2, 25. So here we get 25 and the unit is rupees. Rupees 25. So I hope all of you have understood these sums, children. With that, we come to the end of this exercise. Thank you, children.